Yeah, it's really humbling and an honour to be joining a very illustrious list of great players. Yeah, really thrilled, a big fan of the show, so when I got the call about it, I was delighted. You know, I've seen them all down through the years. Hopefully they portrayed me in a good light anyway, but looking forward to it now.
I'm delighted because it is a programme that I have watched over the years. I suppose coming from Dublin, I'd just like to see a greater in-depth into Kieran Duff as a person. But look, Rena Buckley is going to be some superstar when it comes out of this programme. I mean, what she has achieved in playing both games is just phenomenal.
As an gulum beagani ro kun ve so not so look tam ik tanu leis an clár agus tam ik tanu le clár de gachtanile koma.
You know, actually honoured to be asked to actually take part in it and obviously do a profile on me and my life and all that sort of thing. So yeah, I must say I was really delighted when I was asked, yeah, and happy to do it.
Brought back a lot of memories and meeting some of the lads in '82. We're good enough to stay together, all right. We've a lot of lads that's still very friendly and that, but yeah, it was great. It's brought back a lot. It jogged my memory a lot, yeah.
It's for the family and my parents and my wife and stuff and my kids in the future. But I was at training last night with Torna Fulla and I just mentioned when I was going out my one and I said you're more invited to come to the week beforehand, the preview. And one of the players said, oh yeah, when's Jackie Taylor's one's coming out? We're looking forward to seeing his one. I don't care about your one. So again, I'd be looking forward to them all, but particularly I'd have interest in Jackie because I would have hurled against him.